exploring the world of communication. Communication is a very integral component of daily existence for all beings. Not only humans but animals also do communicate with each other. Without communication, the world would have been a bigger conundrum and anarchic planet. Talking with the means of a language is communication. Yet, within a limited periphery. But over the centuries, humankind have had tried and developed a lot of devices and means to talk or communicate over distant places. Since the early ages until today, there had been an array of means tried, used and evolved for better and faster modes of communicating. The telephone appeared in 1876, which was definitely a groundbreaking revolutionary step for the world of communication, or perhaps telecommunication. The first cross-continental telephone call was made in 1914. Television appeared in 1925 and the commercial radio in 1920. The first internet started in 1969, which was known as the ARPANET. And in 1966, the first successful fax machine was invented by America's Xerox multinational corporation. Means of communication always appeared slow for the generations of people who have always been heading towards a fleet-footed world. It is with the development of the email that the world of communication received its ultimate push of rapidity and instantaneousness. With the email, any message could be sent and received within the pulse of a time. It is so fast that its invention had truly made the world a microcosm. The significance lies in the evolution of email from a file-sharing medium for a limited number of people to a remarkable medium of worldwide communication. It was in 1961 when the first file-sharing system was demonstrated by some developers at MIT, where users could connect to an IBM host computer through a dial-up connection and then store and share files with other users who would connect to the same host computer. 4 years later, modifications were applied to the system that allowed users connecting to the system to send messages to other users, and thus appeared the electronic mail mode of communication. With the commencement of social networking, there also appeared alongside the communicating system of chatting. Chatting allows two or more individuals to come together to talk inside chat room, which is a virtual software or instant message. Chatting is today a very popular medium over internet that helps people living miles away stay connected, whether it is business friends, family, personal friends, etc. People here often get to meet and introduce themselves to new people from near and far places and friend them. But there is also a spook of stalkers and predators that may be detrimental. A careful eye is therefore always indispensable while chatting. This wonderful creation of chatting also has a history that goes back to 1988, when a person named Jarkko Viz Okarinen of the University of Oulu, Finland, created the first chat client. Chatting can be done through various methods on the internet. If you are web-based chatting, which involves websites and chat rooms to chat amongst each other. These types generally require an account with a username and password to enter the website. Chatting today can also be done through webcams where the users can see each other and chat. While using that chat, people should always bear in mind few things which in the language of the internet is known as the etiquette, which defines the basic rules of online communication. For example, it is considered rude to write in the uppercase as it appears like the user is shouting at the other. One must also not use vulgar or disrespectful language while chatting with another user. Nowadays, there are users who use the chat room to prey on younger children or girls or to steal user information. There are also rooms for identity theft or internet stalking, which can be fatal. The children must be counseled on the use of the chat room and monitored carefully. One must therefore be a little more careful to look around and distinguish the evilness among everything. It is often better to keep the identity details clandestine and confined to oneself in order to make us safe to the chat. Communication has progressed formidably Since the age of the smoke signals and flying pigeons, it is a fast moving world and communication facilities also need to be quite rapid. The emails and chats are faster version of communication for a rapidly moving world. They are today no more confined to only fun and entertainment, but to an indispensability communicating at an instant from one corner of the globe to another while making lives easier and better in this evolutionary world.